Hey, BBQ Rando here. Hey, we got a nice daytime demo we're going to do here for a smoke alarm. It's a 3-pack, and you'll see here where it says BlackCat certified. Now, over here on the, if you turn it over, you'll see the ever BlackCat logo. All right. These are actually pretty cool. I did these during July 4th. And I had a second pack. I got these actually from pyrodirect.com. So they're available there right now if you want to check them out. They got good prices and their shipping is very good. They're out of Pennsylvania. But you can see down in here we got the caution, right? Emits, whistles, flammable. It's basically going to smoke and then it's going to give off a fountain towards the end, which I think is actually kind of cool. So let's just flip over the back real quick. You have a few other here comments. Of course, the ever popular BlackCat is the best you can get. All right. And hey, look, they're made in China. Oh, okay. So here we go. Got the product code, UPC code. So again, you can see here, nice packaging. Looks like blue, yellow, and green. Let's check it out. I'll be right back. Now, don't go away. But no. Come on back. I saw you. Come on back. BBQ Rando's not done yet. Sit down. Let's watch the demo. All right, hold on. Okay, BBQ Rando's back. So let's go ahead and do the green one first. See if I can nail it here with... Oh, for goodness sakes, right? There we go. Got it. We got it. Oh. Whoa. Pretty good. Whoa! Plume of smoke. Oh, I love it. Whoa! That was cool. All right, that was the green one. See? It's a combo. Okay, we're back now. Now we got the blue smoke. So let's try that one and see how this one works. Almost had it. Darn wind. All right, hold on. There we go. Oh, I love the blue. Let's cut. Oh, and the plume. There it comes. Well, it is bright today. Hot again in Phoenix. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. It's already 100 degrees. Get ready for the whistle. Here we go. Suspense is killing me. Well, that was good. I don't know. Blue was really good, like the green one. All right. Don't go away now. Try yellow now. See if I can get it here. Oh, I actually got it on the first crack. Go away. Yellow BlackCat. Oh. Una plume. Whoa. All right. Whoa. That is cool. Oh, I like the yellow smoke. I don't know. Might be partial to the yellow. Oh. Whoa! Oh no. I got it. Oh, I love the mixture of the smoke, the whistle, and then it ends with smoke. BlackCat! It's simply the best you can get. Barbecue!